Hi.
Happy Thursday.
Happy Thursday. Hello. I was going through our reels, which of course, like, our lives are reels. Right? And it's just so funny. Happy Thursday. And I go, hello, happy Thursday. Every time.
That's how we greet
Right,
it.
that's how we greet it.
And then our friend Sue all used to me that I would flick my hair. So, I'm like, I don't know. I do. Well, that's because then I see it in the camera.
Right.
I'm like, oh boy.
Yes.
Needs some work.
If I have like, and yes, also if I have like a loose piece, like I spend the whole preamble, I'm just, so.
No, we were just discussing market because like this year, normally market is over Halloween. Like I've missed like a lot of Halloweens because market's always over Halloween. This year, it's at the beginning of October. So I'm leaving like, I think 2 weeks from today. My sister and I are going to Houston for market, and I'm like, ooh, I'm not mentally prepared for that. So, but starting to get there, I'm like, oh, you know.
Yeah, because I feel like, I mean, like, yeah, we're well into fall.
Yeah.
When you usually go.
Yeah. I mean,
so, like, Christmassy things are starting to start.
Either I miss Halloween, or I get off the plane, get home, and we go trick-or-treating.
Right.
Is usually what happens. We have a very big list today.
Yes.
But first, remember, these are shipping to us. They're coming by sea because we're buying a lot. So, they are leaving the warehouse, Jen's warehouse, today. And so, yeah. So, get yours.
That's so exciting.
The Jen party's getting closer.
Anyway. Getting closer. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for you guys to see this book.
What were you going to say? I interrupted you.
I was just going to do a quick show and tell. Oh, yeah. It's not finished yet. Like, the back's not finished yet, but another little nest embroidery. Little orb weaver. Don't look at that stitch right there.
What are you talking about?
It went a little awry on me. That's okay.
I can't tell.
It's because your eyes, you're wearing your glasses. That's why.
And because I'm not an embroiderer.
And anyways, this little, like, the spider web, that was really fun. Making it, like, all twisty.
Yeah.
Anyways, I have to just finish off the back. But all my little Halloween stitching. I did a little ghost cross stitch. I'm working on another one. Just going to have all the little ghosty Halloween stitchy things. Spidery things. Anyways. So that's my show and tell.
Okay. Because it's fall. It's flannel season.
Flannel!
So we got some new Mammoth Flannel.
Oh, I'm so happy because our flannel shelves have been like...
I know, they were a little sad.
They were droopy.
So Mammoth
Mammoth Flannel
is the yarn dyed, like, woven flannels.
And they're so lovely.
I just love them so much.
There's just like a hardiness to them.
And they, you know, like a printed flannel, you could make a shirt out of, but it's like, you know, it's usually kind of white on the inside. There's no printing on the inside. Whereas this is the same both sides.
Right.
Well, ish, you know? So this, like, to me, this is more like especially a jammy pant, or even, like a flannel shirt, blouse kind of thing. Is it flannel shirt or blouse? I think
shirt. I think shirt's the
right
right
word. I don't
word.
think blouse really classifies that. Anyway, this one I love, like the kind of burgundy in there. My niece just started at Texas A&M, and I feel like this is like...
Oh, yes. Yes. And I quite like this little orange navy creamy combo. I think it's quite nice.
I feel like that's very Oilers Nation.
Yes.
Because it's fall, so we're starting to talk about hockey.
Hockey.
Okay, so we had I think we got six bolts of mammoth
of the flammels.
I didn't feel like we needed to show you all. They're on our website under flannel. You can go look. They're all some kind of like plaidish. Okay. We'll do neon neppy.
Okay. Next.
So also from, my goodness, You would think I like am like frozen, but I'm not because I cannot talk this morning. This one's gonna be hard to see on the screen. This is called Neon Neppy, also from Robert Kaufman. It's a woven cotton.
Feels chambray-ish.
Yep. And then it has these little pops of neon throughout. So
Like-
kind of like their speckle Essex.
Yes.
This is kind of the same feel, but it's much, because it's not a linen blend, it's just cotton, so it's quite light. And
They're so
with
pretty.
that pop of neon in there.
Oh, man. Oh, you'll probably be able to see the neon on this darker one.
Man, it's really hard to see on the screen.
I love this one. Like this one on the background, for the background of a quilt or something with like a neon-y
Yeah.
palette would be so cool. Yeah, you can see it a bit better on the darker one, but oh, they're so cool.
They're super cool. And as an accent in a bag, like whatever.
They're so, like, it's just, I don't know. They're so cool. I love them.
We're just gonna keep on with the Robert Kaufman.
Yeah.
Orchard Run from Anagram Noodlehead. Is this directional? No, it's not. Well, I mean, this way. I feel like this is right up Allison's alley. This one.
Yes.
This reminds me of Allison.
This one, my mom would have bought all the meters of this one. She loved blue. Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
That paired with some mustard accents or something.
Yes. And that's a
This-
Leslie.
This is the Leslie pick.
Yeah. It's so nice.
And then this one is in the categories all
All on its own.
They just call it
Slub?
cotton slub, but it's a thicker.
Would you
Yeah.
describe
It
this?
almost feels linen-y, but it's not.
Yes.
It is cotton. But anyway, with the hedgehogs,
Yeah,
like
it's
come
like-
on.
It is kind of like an Essex linen, but a little bit like if an Essex linen and like a bark cloth kind
Yeah.
of.
Yeah, it does have kind of that bark clothy feel. I think
Yes.
because of the slub in there, like
Yeah.
this. Anyway,
It's so
With
cute.
the
It's so
hedgehogs?
cute. It'd
Oh
be
my
great
gosh.
for bags. You could totally use it for bags. Yeah.
so cute. Okay, then for some new fabric collection, like quilting cotton.
When these were getting unloaded, I was so happy. I was not having like the greatest day the other day. Like I was just like my mood was just kind of low. But like as soon as these came out, it was like
Here, I'll show you. This one came out first. This is called
cute.
Starling from Art Gallery.
It is.
I can't
precious.
remember who did what. This one is either Maureen or Sharon. Maureen
Cracknell.
Cracknell.
It is just so beautiful.
It.
I won't dwell on it because it makes me sad, but my bunny crossed the Rainbow Bridge a couple weeks ago. But so these prints were really yes. And then the other color. Where is it? So I will be making something with this. I'm just not sure what yet. But it's so freaking cute.
It is so cute. She was trying to get the neon neppy to.
Yeah, I was like, how can I incorporate
But I
this?
don't think it's just a little bit
not
off.
quite right, but that's
But
okay.
this one,
Oh.
and the green, that green.
And like these stripes.
Oh, I forgot to grab it. This one, we did get the binding.
Oh,
Fabric, I forgot to grab it.
I'm so excited. I was gonna ask you if we were ever gonna do our gallery binding again, because it is fun. It's like for those who don't know, it's like printed in
2.5.
2.5 inch strips, and then you can like choose what design you want to bind your thing with. So you get like multiple options, and it's all just like
I don't buy it every time because
it's a lot,
It's-
and it's like you use it for a very specific thing, you know.
yeah. And then along with it came this cotton linen blend. I don't know put the price tag over the blend, of course, but this beautiful linen stripe.
Like this in a bag
Yeah.
would be like a backpack, the making backpack.
Making backpack. Let's see. Oh no. Fine. So.
It's just so great. If you missed out on that, I mean, obviously that's a linen blend, not a canvas, but if you missed out on the Slow Summer rainbow canvas, then that, yes. Sorry, I'm still going. I love these.
And then also a flannel with Starling.
Oh,
I mean,
like, come on. Like a little pajama set.
The most beautiful.
I really love this. All of these. Maybe I need a bundle.
This, well, did you show this one?
No.
I love this color. And this one.
Like,
just sorry, Allison.
maybe I'll just keep this one.
That'll be yours. So that is Starling.
And
And then
so cute.
Also from Art Gallery is Midsummer.
Which is just so dreamy and soft and
It's so beautiful.
Oh my God.
So this one is Sharon Holland.
I want to make pillow.
Oh, a pillowcase?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
I think that would be so beautiful. And these I think they're called Flights of Fancy. It's one of my favorite blenders. Like not just from Art Gallery, like from any of the lines. Like I think it's such a nice blender. Hi, Allison.
She heard us saying sorry.
Sorry, Allison.
And this little guy.
These little dandelion prints have kind of like come and gone and ebbed and flowed through different collections, and it doesn't matter. I love them every time.
Here's another flights of... Did you show the green flights?
No.
Green flights of... Oh, my...
Flights of Flancy. That in a little girl's dress. That is so beautiful. Wow, that's the perfect purple.
This is my favorite print from the...
Oh, yes.
This beautiful soft teal and that big floral.
I love this. I'm not a purple girly, but I love that. Yes.
Flannel
Yes.
in the dandelion.
This shade of purple is my favorite. Wow. What? Like that. I can't wait to look through the lookbook and see what all the projects are.
I have Art Gallery flannel on the back of the quilt that's on my bed. And never for a second have I regretted it because it's so nice and soft. Because you know how you like flip over the top of the quilt and that's what your arms are on when you're sleeping. And so...
It's very like brushed and squishy and lovely. I love this little butterfly print.
Yes. So cute.
I really do love the winged creatures.
Okay, last on our list. Leslie was a busy little elf last week.
I'm so proud of these, actually.
You are, yes.
Yes,
I said I did not.
You are proud of them, and we're proud of you for
I
being
meant
proud.
to say you should be, but man, it's a struggle bus today.
I have been hinting at these on our social media. They are rainbow mystery boxes featuring Kaffe fabrics.
Though I feel like it's not too much of a mystery because
It's true.
there's a picture.
I mean, we love a mystery, but like you got to have like an idea, you know? Anyways,
But it is literally the most beautiful rainbow. Kaffe rainbow.
yes. It's over 5 meters of fabric, all in all. All of the pieces are full width of fabric and between 5 and 15 inches, so all very workable pieces.
For your Kaffe stash.
Yes, if you want to add, or I feel like this would be a great option if you wanted to do a posh Penelope.
Ooh,
I feel like
yes.
you could make a pretty beautiful posh Penelope with a rainbow mystery Kaffe box.
And it comes in... We love the little boxes.
We do. It comes in a cake box. I mean, how fun is that? And a bonus 2-inch strip of fabric. Tying it together. Anyways.
Okay.
And some of you guys have scooped them up already, so that makes me so happy.
Yes. Oh, they're so good. Excellent work.
Thank you.
All right. That's all.
We did it.
Yes.
That was a lot of stuff, and we did pretty good.
It was a lot of stuff. And
These, by the way, I think there's only like 10 left.
Ooh, our Liberty advent calendars.
And like, it's not a thing we would like order more of. Do you know what I mean? Like when they're
right.
When they're sold out, so you have to order a lot of boxes at a time. So,
yes. So 10 left.
get yours.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited for those.
We were like, do we have 100 boxes?
Mm-hmm.
We were like, 100 boxes, like, okay, but we only have 10 left. So, yay!
Edith says, nice idea on the Posh Penelope.
Thank you. And Edith would know.
Because she made one and taught it.
Yes. So, yes.
And Rachel says, the pink and purple flowers are very pretty. I'm assuming that she's talking about this. Yes, I agree. All right, that's it for this week, and we'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.